Salut à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. It's a pleasure to teach you again today. Today is the third part of our mini series on French pronunciation, tricky sounds, and spelling. In this lesson, I will be mainly giving you sentences that more than ever, and as I told you in the previous videos, I invite you to repeat. Listen, pause, repeat. D'accord? Écoutez et répétez au maximum les phrases que je vais vous donner aujourd'hui. I don't think, but maybe there will be some vocab. But what I'm going to insist on is these words, and mainly this combination of words that is sometimes very difficult to pronounce in a kind of fluent way. I actually took some of them are some concrete examples. Like I heard people say something and they were like, "Oh my god, this is just so tricky. How can you pronounce that?" And I was like, "Okay, I will write that down." So vocab anyway is translated into English under the French version, but it is important, but it's not the main thing. I really invite you to breathe and repeat these sentences. What I will be saying before I give you the sentences are mainly the sounds U, E, T, V, R. Yeah. C'est une belle petite rue de vacances. Tu as vu? C'est une belle petite rue de vacances. Tu as vu? Je vois que tu ne bois pas beaucoup d'eau. Je voudrais prendre rendez-vous préférablement mercredi. Je voudrais prendre rendez-vous préférablement mercredi. Good luck with this one. Maybe then just a spoonful of honey to soothe your throat. This one is tough too. C'est une crème protectrice principalement conçue pour les enfants. The beginning is rough. C'est une crème protectrice principalement conçue, nasal and U sound, super difficult, principalement conçue pour les enfants, nasal sound. Elle fait des études de publicité à l'université. That's a lot of U sound. Elle fait des études de publicité à l'université. Est-ce que tu veux un jus de fruits frais? Est-ce que tu veux un jus de fruits frais? Elle travaille dans une entreprise jeune. Elle travaille dans une entreprise jeune, meaning where you have a lot of young people. Elle travaille dans une entreprise jeune. Et enfin, cette jeune femme adore les fleurs jaunes. Cette jeune femme adore les fleurs jaunes. I think that's already quite a lot to practice for today. I will be ending my little series on pronunciation and tricky sounds and spelling for now. If I, at some point, think that I could extend this series and give you some more things to practice with, I'd be happy to do it. But for now, I think we have quite a few things regarding French pronunciation and the main problems French pronunciation can give to their learner. So I hope that this will have been a bit useful for you, and even very useful. As I told you for the two previous lessons, I guess going on lingoni.com, either to get your free trial or to practice if you're already a member, is really nice all the time, but in particular for lessons such as this one, because you're practicing with the interactive exercises and the PDF worksheets, just going back to the lessons, checking the vocab, if you know the vocab, if you know how to write it, if you understood the sentences we made and stuff for practice. But then you can also go on the pronunciation tool and maybe keep on practicing your pronunciation and maybe see if you feel a bit more confident now. That'd be nice. That's the point. Thank you very much for following us again today. I hope that you enjoyed this series. Let me know in comments, write your sentences, and I will see you very soon for a new lesson, of course. Take care. Bye-bye.